Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Eagles Canyon Racewar. Now, this is the first track day in about 10 months, and a lot has changed with the car. We've got a new differential, a new clutch, and a new engine. Is it going to stay together? Well, I don't know. That remains to be seen. Now, today we're running the 2.7 clockwise direction, or the backwards from normal direction. It's the first time this car is going to be on the track in this configuration, so I'm not quite sure what time we're going to run, but we're going to give it a good shot. Now, today it's about 80 degrees right now, really nice. It's going to warm up into the low 90s, relatively high humidity, but we're not expecting it to be too hot, not these 100 degrees days that Dallas has been having lately. So we're going to keep an eye on temperatures, especially with this new engine. Now, why don't you come along for a ride in the first session and see how it goes. Alright, so we finished the first session, then I've been in with an intermediate and a novice, and now we're just catching back up. So, how did the first session go? Well, hey, the car's still in one piece. Now, temperatures were good, feeling pretty confident. The track, of course, was a little cold. Tires had a little bit too much pressure in, so we're losing just a little bit of grip there. Time, hey, a 2:19, I'll take it. This next session will go out in a few minutes and hopefully improve on that. Alright, so we're back from the second session with the 214, so 5 seconds faster. And man, I gotta say, I love this hobby. The car felt great. Now, you know, since we've done so much, I'm not exactly sure what the recipe is. However, the new tires, new alignment, poly bushings, and the new engine, it felt really good. You know, with traction control off, you're playing around a little bit more, and it's just a whole lot of fun. So if you haven't been out to a track day, make sure you come out. So third session out, and yeah, we didn't make any time, but you know what I remembered? This is a brand new engine, so I'm shifting at about 5,500, maybe 6,000 RPM, just to be on the safe side. And plus it gives me a goal for next time we come out and do this configuration, right? To beat the next time. Unfortunately, we did have a casualty. Yeah, so this is just a PCV valve. I guess the plastic got brittle and snapped off. We do have a catch can though, so I've just rerouted that hose and plugged it in. So it's still gonna have a PCV system with the catch can as well. So no big deal, but yeah, I guess I need to order a new valve. We have one more session, and this is an endurance, the last session. This is an hour-long session with the advanced group. So I'm gonna gas up, check the fluids, check everything else, and get the car ready to go. Alright guys, so that's another successful day at Eagles Canyon Raceway. Now unfortunately, we only managed a 214 on the last session, but it was a 214.02, basically a 213. Temperatures are about mid-90s, and you know, the tires just don't quite have the same grip. Well, if you enjoyed watching this video, then yeah, leave us a like. And hey, if you want to see more of these track day, I guess we could almost call it a vlog, then make sure you comment down below. Once again, my name's Kane, and we'll see you next time.